Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass, Maths Hub. I am going to explain question number 3 that has been taken from exercise 2.1 inverse trigonometry function of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is find the principal value of the function cosec inverse 2. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that give let cosec inverse 2 equal to theta. Let cosec inverse 2 equal to theta. Then imply that cosec inverse 2 equal to theta comes out to be cosec theta equal to 2. Cosec inverse 2 equal to theta. So this cosec inverse will move back to right hand side. It will become theta over cosec inverse. Now comes out to be cosec theta equal to 2. And now we know that sin 30 degree equal to 1 over 2. Then cosec 30 degree equal to 2 it will become. Just inverse of sine will get cosec. So sin 30 degree equal to 1 over 2. Then cosec 30 degree equal to 2 it will become. Now here we will get cosec pi by 6. Pi by 6 means pi equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree divided by 6 comes out to be 30 degree. So cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2 we will get. So in place of 2 we shall write cosec pi by 6. So here I shall write cosec theta equal to cosec pi by 6 it will become. Now again I shall write theta equal to cosec inverse in bracket cosec pi by 6 bracket close. Theta equal to cosec inverse in bracket cosec pi by 6 when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval minus in curly bracket I shall write 0. So you will get here hence you will get here implied that theta equal to pi by 6 when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval minus in curly bracket 0 curly bracket close. So here I shall write hence the principal value of cosec inverse 2 will be pi by 6. This will be the correct answer we have got. Now I shall take next question. Question number 4. I shall write here question number 4. Let us see how question number 4 of exercise 2.1 of inverse trigonometry is going to be solved here. So here I shall write question number 4 implies that question number 4 just write, I shall write from the key point here what is question number 4 says. Just wait for a while. Tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3. Same thing. Find the principal value of the function tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3. So what we'll do next? Next I shall write here solution. Let us see how solution is going to be written here. Implied that let theta equal to tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3. So again I shall write implied that let theta equal to tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3 bracket close. This can be written as tan theta equal to minus under root 3 will be written. Again I shall write implied that tan theta equal to minus tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. So here I shall write pi by 3 because we know that tan 30 degree equal to 1 over under root 3 and tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. On the same pattern, pi by 3 means 180 divided by 3 comes out to be 60 degree. So we will get here tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. This thing we will get. So what we'll do here? Here I shall write implied that tan theta equal to tan in bracket minus pi by 3 I shall write because there is formula tan in bracket minus theta we will get here minus tan theta. Tan in bracket minus theta equal to minus tan theta we shall get. On the same pattern we will get tan theta equal to tan in bracket minus pi by 3 bracket close. So what we will do here? Here we shall write theta equal to tan inverse in bracket tan open here curly bracket minus pi by 3 bracket close theta equal to tan inverse tan in bracket minus pi by 3 bracket close curly bracket close. So what to do in this case? When theta belong to when theta belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Theta equal to tan inverse curly bracket open tan in bracket minus pi by 3 bracket close curly bracket close when theta belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open interval. You will get here implied that theta equal to here tan inverse tan will be cancelled out. You will get here theta equal to minus pi by 3 when theta belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open interval. Hence, the principal value of tan inverse in bracket minus under root 3 will be minus pi by 3. Hence, the principal value of tan inverse minus under root 3 will be minus pi by 3. This will be the correct answer you have got. Hence, the principal value of tan inverse minus under root 3 will be minus pi by 3. That will be the correct answer we have got. Here I have solved question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 2.1 inverse trigonometric function of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.